Here we have it. This is the peanut butter cup old fashioned. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again on the new year after the 1 year celebration for another week of Old Fashioned Friday. This week we are in Hershey, Virginia. A lot of people don't know that's in Virginia. All right, I'm not funny. I came up with the decision, I want to do 5 episodes per year that are not in Virginia. Again, we only want to focus on Virginia. However, the state is only so big. We travel pretty frequently. So I think it would be cool to bounce outside of the state or even the country and do some reviews. This is going to be our first one we've done outside of the state of Virginia. Again, we're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, sweetest place on earth, at the Chocolatier. Chocolatier is one of Hershey's newest restaurants. Fun fact, I grew up like 12 minutes from here. Also, I used to work in Hershey. Here we have it. This is the peanut butter cup old fashioned. Now, I've seen this advertised like 5 different places around the park, online. Every single photo I've seen looked nothing like this. So the advertisement, they put a regular Reese's peanut butter cup, a single cube, and a Luxardo cherry on top. So they did a mini peanut butter cup. Kind of shafted me there. Luxardo cherry on the bottom, no single cube. So you guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Off of appearance, no single cube, not too happy about that. I do think this is cool that they added a Reese's peanut butter cup, but all the advertisements show the regular one on the side of the glass, so now I'm like disappointed because I was under the assumption I was gonna get that and I got this. So glass size is decent. They have a Luxardo cherry, so I'm a fan of that. Oof. I'm gonna go 1.3. They have a single cube and had it like they were advertised. It'd be close to like a probably 2.8, you know? 1.3, here goes first sip. Not bad. They're using the peanut butter whiskey. I forget who makes the peanut butter whiskey. Do you remember who makes peanut butter whiskey? Peanut butter whiskey. They're using a Screwball peanut butter whiskey, which I've had before. Screwball peanut butter whiskey is good to have on its own. It's super sweet, so after like one of them, you probably can't drink too many more. So on top of that, adding other sweetener, Luxardo cherry, it's a little too sweet, but still, it's surprisingly smooth and better than I thought it was gonna be, because I thought it was just gonna taste like straight candy, and it's decent. I'm gonna go 2.0 on first sip, which is way higher than I thought it was gonna be, considering I thought it was gonna be super sweet. And as I slowly sip for the overall, very slow, we'll get into the ambiance. Again, this is a brand new place, Chocolatier. They got some nice little like carousel like tables. I think that's really cool. There was a 3.5 hour wait to get a table. That's not cool. It overlooks a store where you can buy like, you know, souvenirs, t-shirts and stuff. I'm not really a fan of that. It's a lot of loud noise coming from that area, but it's a brand new spot. So, I mean, it's nice. The 3.5 hour wait is gonna crush your score. So I'm gonna go 0.8 out of 1 for overall. Slowly sipping for the overall taste. Luxardo cherry. So far, it's not as bad as, again, I was thinking it's gonna be so sweet. No single cube, and the ice melting rapidly definitely takes the flavor down a bit. All right, so I said 2, 1, 2, that's 3, 2, and a 0.8 is 4. This is probably like a 1.3. 1.3, which gives us a 5.3. Chocolatier, Hershey, Pennsylvania. The first out of 5 that we're gonna do outside of Virginia. And we did it right here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Hershey, please make them the way that they're advertised 79 places inside the park, on my phone, inside the hotel, everywhere else. And this will probably be like over an 8, but that's it. Virginia's for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.